Make a good first impression with a clean, shiny ride they notice. And did you know that a clean car actually runs better? It's true. You don't have to drive an expensive sports car. Simply care for and keep your current auto cleaned and polished like it just came off the showroom floor. Make us your regular stop to get and keep your vehicles clean inside and out. If you're in a hurry and want to get the outside of your car looking sharp quickly, then take advantage of our Express Exterior Wash. Or have your car completely detailed inside and out. We offer hand waxes and other extras when you need them. Call or drop by today. We keep things moving so you have no long lines or wait times. We go the extra mile when cleaning the interior and exterior of your automobile. Bumper to bumper, you'll love our spot-free cleaning, rinsing, and drying procedures, and will leave feeling like $1,000,000. Don't go another day in a dirty automobile. Make a good first impression. Come by today.